How does it feel to be the queen of Instagram?
It feels so great, Hug.
Selena Gomez is on the cover of Time for being the first person to hit 100 million followers on Instagram and shares what it was like growing up with her mom and how vulnerability is strength. Selena is featured alongside powerful women such as Oprah, Serena Williams, and Shonda Rhimes. Selena's cover is part of Time's special project edition called First that features 46 women who are all changing the world by being the first to break records and accomplish specific goals. Selena is gracing the cover for being the first to hit 100 million followers on Instagram and the influential power that comes with that. They're calling her the Tastemaker. Selena is the most followed person on Instagram and can make upwards of $550,000 from ads. Selena opened up about how it can be difficult to feel good about yourself when you're constantly comparing the highlights of your life to others on social media.
It's already difficult to get up every day and just feel good about yourself without seeing the highlights of everyone else. I hope my fans learn that who they are is beautiful, how they can connect with people by sharing what they're feeling.
She went on to say, "That's why I like being vulnerable with my fans on social media. I like that they've seen my mistakes. I try to use that as a way to connect with them. That's all I can do. I hope they know that strength doesn't mean that you have to put on a facade. Strength is being vulnerable." Selena also opened up about being raised by her mother, who was 16 years old when she had her. Selena explained their close relationship, saying, quote, "We kind of grew up together. When I started working, my mom was the person in my life that helped guide me through most of that. Everything that I am has become a little bit of what my mom's gone through. She had the ability of making me feel like I was still capable of doing everything I wanted." The two of them now co-produce 13 Reasons Why together. Selena shared her Time cover on Instagram along with a penned letter that said, quote, "Sometimes it's incredibly difficult to wake up every day knowing there is so much going on in the world. At times I feel selfish. I ask why. I ask how can this change? Will it actually ever change? I try to contribute my heart before anything because it can be so easy to lose a desire to have hope when sometimes all I want to be is angry. When I read about the beautiful women who wake up consciously every day to make a change, it inspires me to want to do so much more. Not really sure how I got so lucky, Time, but thank you for highlighting the power of what we can find and will always strive to be. I believe in the goodness in the land of the living. I hope this is just the beginning of more change." Well, what do you guys think about Selena's Time cover? Sound off in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and then click right over here to see Miley Cyrus' School Ellen DeGeneres. Thanks for watching Clevver News. I'm your host, Drew Dorsey, and I'll see you next time.